got the stinky hiccups. You need to give those hiccups back. Give them back. Yeah, I don't want the hiccups. No. You're gonna go away? No. This will help. No. This one. This one. Now you're mad 'cause you got them? I'd be mad too. Huh? Are you mad 'cause you got the hiccups? Huh? The hiccups? Here's your leg. Get your little leg. Get your little leg. Can I get your little leg? Huh? Can I get it? Let me get a little leg. Huh? It's not even a chunky leg. It's just a little leg. A little leg. Oh, that there's barely no fat on there. You wouldn't be good to eat. You'd be like a little, barely meaty bone. Yes, you would. You'd be like a skinny little thin chicken bone. Yes, you would. You would. Huh? You would. You would. You're not going to talk? What do you got to say? You're not happy now, huh? 'Cause you got the hiccups, those mean and nasty hiccups. Woo! Come on. There's some more. Oh, don't get mad 'cause you got them. You want this? You want to suck on that for a minute? It'll help them go away. No? Oh, you're mad at them. I'm mad at them too. So go away.